We have 2 thumbs up. That means drivers, hands off the controllers. 3, 2, 1, go!
And robots moving in. Red Alliance scoring those 3. Blue Alliance doing the same thing. And we're getting into this now. Both teams filling up that Red Alliance ramp is getting pretty full. We're seeing a pretty close game here score-wise, though. Red Alliance opening up that gate in auto to take advantage of those artifacts again. And the Blue Alliance is doing the same thing, but Red is taking a... Oh, and we have
Drivers,
a tied
your controllers.
match in auto. Going into teleop, we're going to see a lot of moving through those loading zones. Not a lot in the gates, so we're going to see a lot of scrambling for these
3,
artifacts all around
2,
the field.
1.
Robotic rodents going for those just stray artifacts all over the board. Both teams kind of trying to take advantage of their side before the other team can go and steal from them. 17378 going straight over there and taking from the Blue Alliance. 23667 just playing their normal game over there right from the close shooting area. And as these gates are getting pretty full, 17 Robotic Rodents taking a solid amount of work on that gate, not letting it overflow. Over on the Blue Alliance, 26897 just playing a simple game, keeping that gate pretty open, making sure that it's not going to fall, but Red Alliance is there to take as much as possible from them. They're going to have to grab those artifacts before the Red Alliance can come and take them from them. 25656 opening up that gate. Both teams doing pretty excellent gate management. We're not seeing a lot of far shooting this game. Pretty simple cycling. With 1 minute left, Blue has the lead by about 30 points, but that can be overtaken at any time. Pioneer Robotics just grabbing strays as they can find him. 17378 taking advantage of these loading zone artifacts, entering in a far almost like flow state, trying to just strafe back and forth and up their cycle time to catch the Blue Alliance just in the last couple seconds here. 17378 almost completely emptying that loading zone, and that open gate from Blue is only going to help them more. 23667 just doing absolutely everything to cycle as fast as possible and break that gap between the Blue Alliance. With 15 seconds left there, Red Alliance is down by 30 points, but that gate being relatively full might be able to help them in the end. Maybe get some motifs. 17378 scoring as far as possible. With 5 seconds left, they're gonna need a full park or at least 2 partials here. And there is a 40-point gap, and that is the game. Single.
It's the Blue Alliance with the victory. With a score of 221 to 200, that's gonna move 26897 up to the top 15, but it will unfortunately mean downward motion with only 1 ranking point for both of the Red Alliance robots.